keep our whole Hawaii community safe, every ohana in the state should be 2 weeks ready with emergency supplies.
And every household will need its own unique, planned-out kit to stay safe for 14 days if a hurricane or similar disaster cuts us off from help.
But let's start simple. A household with just one person, no pets, and no special medical or other needs. The essentials are food and water.
Plan for a gallon of water per day for each person. That covers drinking and hygiene. 14 gallons take up some space, but you can use collapsible bottles and fill some of them up just before the storm.
For hygiene, you could fill a clean bathtub that has a good drain plug. 14 days of food is next. Think of nutritious, compact, and shelf-stable.
This is no time to count calories, and items like canned meals and peanut butter pack filling food into not much space.
If you can't afford 14 days worth all at once, start with an item or two and build up. Even 2 days is better than none, but 14 days is the goal.
You also want a battery or crank-powered radio, flashlight with batteries, a first aid kit, and similar emergency preparedness items.
For a list, see ready.hawaii.gov and search for 2 weeks ready.
In the next episode, we'll look at a household where things are a little more complicated.